Hello, Miss Anna.
Hi, Sir Kim.
Yes, I have some questions and I want you to answer based on your own understanding, experience, and all. So, Miss Anna, how long have you been in SMA?
10 years already, but when we count it from my high school years, so I think that would be 19 years na, because when I was in college, I'd studied college for 5 years, so I've strived my college days for 5 years, so 9 years starting from my high school and up to now, and I think it's been 19 years. Happy to be 19 years sa Tista.
Okay, how about in your teaching career here in school? Ano yung mga naalala mo na nahirapan ka? Kumbaga nagiging negative na experience mo dito sa school.
So far sa negative, yung first teaching ko, I taught kinder at that time, and at the same time subject teacher for high school. So somehow I've tried myself to adjust to that situation where I taught kindergarten, but that was the subject was Christian living, and then for kinder and English for high school, grade 7. I had a hard time to adjust when I taught this level, kasi I need to shift my teaching strategy, baga, no? But with that, I was able to survive, no? Kasi as they say, I also have this charisma to the kids sa kinder, so I was able to adjust. But though with that experience, I've learned a lot of things. And I have also experienced my high school career na teaching. Yung mga student who were so difficult to handle, I've experienced also those students. But as with God's grace, I was able to bring them and lead them na maging talagang they will graduate in spite of their being difficult to handle.
So ano naman yung pinakamagandang experience mo dito sa school? Na talagang babaunin mo hanggang sa pag-alis mo dito?
So far, ang pinaka the best is ang retreat. Retreat experience, because those were the days that we would really solely talk to God personally on those days, and of course you could concentrate because you have nothing to think of but only your God. And the two of you will talk, in those days. So I believe that it was so beautiful experience for me. With those several years that I've been, we went to the different places, and of course those solemn place where we could really have to meet Jesus.
Okay. So let's proceed to the next question. We all know that in a moment from now, or there are only few days more to go bago lilisan si Sister Adi. We are going to focus about Sister Adi. Can you share to us, will you please share to us about your experiences with her.
Now, that's a sad reality, but that she is going to leave us here in Sumat, and she will be going to another community. But that's the reality that sisters would come and go. And for me, this is real talaga na sisters would just come. For my 19 years experience with the sisters, they just come and go because of their mission. And yeah, it's just good to remember those memories that we were with them. No, na we could cherish forever in our hearts. No, if you're asking about Sister Adi, my experience with Sister Adi, Sir Kim, so far, yeah, she is so good talaga. You could see her with all her actions, her words. She is so sweet talaga. And she had also this motherly care for all of us, and I believe all the teachers had could express that, could say it because they've experienced that too. And so for my personal experience to her, talagang wala akong masabi. She is so good talaga, and with the motherly care, with that being so pious, she really lived how Mother Ignacia lived, parang ganon ang kanyang ipinapakita sa atin. Yeah, and yeah, she is really that very, very good follower of Mother Ignacia.
Okay. So, last na lang, ano yung message mo sa kanya?
My message for Sister Adi, first, I would like to thank her for her personal sa akin, no, yung being with me or always guide me as I could add here na as faculty president talagang we talked of all the things that was the best for the common good for the teachers, and she really guides me with the Holy Spirit with us talking. She really helped me in planning talagang ganon, and for the religious activities of the teachers. She really guides me, no, and many things of all the activities. So with that privilege that God had given me, kanang gipaano ko being a president, so I would really could appreciate more the presence of Sister Adi, because I believe kung wala siya, I don't know ano ang gagawin ko. But with her, she's there guiding me. And of course, with God, no? But physical appearance of Sister Adi, the presence of Sister Adi would really have a great help for me.